Hello friends. Today I want to provide my analysis on Tata Motors. So Tata Motors is a stock that I have been tracking for a very long time. I also hold it in my portfolio. So here's my analysis about it. So if you look at Tata Motors, once it gave like a breakout, in the month of October 2021, it gave like a good breakout. It went from almost 370 to like 530. And then in the month of October 21, all the equities of India, they actually almost, started consolidating or started retracing. And, in the same way, Tata Motors also went through like a fair bit of consolidation, in this triangle zone, as you may see. But once it came out of this triangle, it followed a very clean channel, as you can see here, right? And went up from almost 450 to 670, right? As such. But once it came out of this channel, it again consolidated. And as you can see, I try to form like a bit of like a curved pattern here, almost like almost like a cup. And then after this consolidation, it again, gave a very good upswing, for its, for its price action, right? Now, it has also been very nicely above the 200-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and has been cleanly tracing along the 20-day moving average as well, right? So everything looks hunky-dory. But what is my concern here, or what is the issue, is that if you look at the last swing, it has been almost like a parabolic move. So as you can see, I have drawn a bit of a curved move here for Tata Motors, right? As such, if you see this like this, right? So if once a stock actually, has gone into, a parabolic move like the one Tata Motors has gone, there are two possibilities. That one, either it retraces quite a bit, and if you want to see an example of that, you can see IRCTC. It gave a very good parabolic move and then, retraced quite a bit immediately after it came out of the parabola, right? Or it may just simply consolidate a bit before it gives us another upswing. That is, it will consolidate, form a base and then give us another upswing. So, I hope it does that, because that's a stock that is fundamentally doing very well, and a lot of us who, in the retail community hold the stock as well. So I hope for a decent consolidation and then an upswing. The only thing is we got to keep a watch, as to how does the stock behave, you know, post this parabolic move which we have seen in Tata Motors. Otherwise, the stock has been doing well, the results are good as well, if I'm right, and it continues to do give very good returns, to everybody, right? I also try to draw like a level for this as to where the price target could be. So I had drawn a Fibonacci target, and it went up to 790 was my target. And then if you see around the 790, it kind of consolidated a bit and has again given an up move beyond that, right? So as such, it is, it is behaving well, but the only thing is we should kind of continue to be watchful about the stock and continue to hold it. I don't think this is a good time for an entry, a new entry. If it consolidates or gives a retracement, it might be a good time. But those who are holding can kind of keep a watch for how does this stock behave, after it comes out of the parabolic move which it has had. If you were to look at the volumes, there's nothing much to talk about. We saw some great volumes, in October 21, but after that, there's not much where the volumes are revealing as such. So I'm going to ignore that. But I'm just looking at the price action, as such, and again, would request all of you to look at the price action and see, how it behaves as such. I hope this was useful, and I hope you can, subscribe to my channel if you like this analysis, and I'll come back with another video, with some other analysis. Thank you so much, and look forward to talking to you again.